Kickstart your new career in kinesiology and register today for our free workshop and begin your journey as a holistic health practitioner. At Kinesiology Schools Australia, you will gain the skills to become a sought-after kinesiology health practitioner. We are an award-winning, nationally recognised college renowned for providing the highest quality kinesiology training available. Learn to help clients in a truly holistic manner, focusing on the emotional, physical, energetic and chemical aspects of health. At Kinesiology Schools Australia, you become a member of our community at the college, setting a benchmark in this progressive science. Students learn through face-to-face training from some of Australia's most experienced teachers, who are still in practice, bringing current clinical experience to your learning. We use the best internationally accredited techniques, which sets us apart from the rest. At Kinesiology Schools Australia, we go out of our way to help you with flexible payment plans and offer classes on weekends to fit into your schedule. Let Kinesiology Schools Australia open the doors of opportunity for you. Register now to start your career as a professional kinesiology practitioner and enjoy the rewards of helping others have better health and a better quality of life.